Hello everyone, so today I've got an unboxing video of a 7th generation iPad. This is the 32GB Wi-Fi only model in gold. So yeah, let's take a look around the box. On the front is a side profile of the iPad. On the sides, it just says iPad. On the top, in the bottom, it shows the Apple logo. And I believe the Apple logos as well as the iPad wordings are color-coded to the color of the iPad that you buy. Since I got the gold one, they're all in gold. And on the back, shows you the capacity, the model, what comes inside the box, the system requirements, and below the barcode, serial number, and all that stuff. So, I have a penknife right here. Let's go ahead inside the box. Alright, and the top is off. Right on top is the iPad itself. Take it out. Put it aside. Right here, we have the USB-A to lightning cable, if you can see it. Lightning cable. This right here. Here, designed by Apple in California. Inside we have quick start guide in English. I believe this is Mandarin and Malay. These three are the safety and handling leaflets, again in English, Mandarin and Malay. That aside, and lastly inside the pack are a couple of Apple stickers. That aside as well. Right here we have the adapter, and right here we have the charger. Okay, so now for people who like to hear these sort of noises, let's take the plastic wrapper off. Oops. Okay, that was a bit of a fail, but there you go. And now, let's do the first boot up. Press home to open. English. Let me just zoom in a bit. But yeah, previously it asked for the language, as you can see, the language selection. Again, I like to be in Germany, but I'm not, so let's look for Malaysia. Quick start, set up manually, continue, and let me just enter the Wi-Fi. Okay, so now it is activating the iPad. Data and privacy, continue. Touch ID, continue. Let's just okay, complete. Continue. Create a passcode. Let me just enter it real quick. Okay, so now I enter the passcode. It's telling me what I want to do with apps and data. Don't transfer apps and data for now. Apple ID. Okay, so now the Apple ID has been entered. Click agree. It may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. Okay, so express settings. Okay, continue for now. Install updates manually. iCloud keychain. Yeah, I guess continue. Siri, set up later. Screen time, continue. App analytics, don't share. Appearance, light. Quick access to the dock. Okay, continue. Search between recent apps. Okay, continue. Quickly access controls, continue. And welcome to iPad. Alright, so that's it for the unboxing video of this 7th generation iPad, 32GB Wi-Fi only in gold. Thanks for watching and goodbye.